Welcome to our channel Civil Site Information. Today in this video I will tell you how to install doors, door frames, and what is the procedure of door grouting. You can check here they are installing door frames. You can check first. We have to install door frame in and also we have to check the alignment of a door frame. Then we install the door panels. After alignment we will start grouting. Now this is the procedure. You can check. We install the form work between the walls and the frame of doors. You can check properly. You should have to properly install your form work because the grout is free flow. So you can check. We are using the Sika grout, Sika 114 SA. This is the grout that we will use for door groutings. The purpose of a door grouting is to fix the door frames and the wall, to cover. Also we can say to cover the joint between the wall and frames. So now you can check the mixing procedure of grout, Sika 114S for door grouting. Okay, so we will mix with water. So then we will pour it into the gap between door frames and the walls. So now after mixing I will show you how they insert or pour this grout material to. Yes, you can check it. So we start pouring of a grout material inside that area. You can check your form work also. That must be proper because the grout is free flow. So if a little bit movement in your form work, the totally work may be cause of a misalignment of a door. You should have to be first check the alignment of doors properly, form work, then you can fill grouting. So you can check it. They are filling the grout material. So after filling we remove the form work and now you can check the result. Okay, during the form work your door must be closed. So this is the basic thing. Okay, so after the remove we will do the plaster work on a remaining wall. Okay, you can check a plaster work. Okay, one thing more, you can check a groove between the door frames and the plaster work. The purpose of this groove is to avoid any crack, so we make a groove. Okay, later on we will fill this groove with a joint sealant. Okay, sealant. I will upload one more video which type of sealant we will use. Okay, this is the, in this area, in this groove we will fill by joint sealants to avoid any cracks, because always crack occurs on steels, on between the joint of steel or any metal frames in concrete. Okay, always occur. To avoid this type of cracks we make a groove. Okay, after completing this groove with joint sealant we will use paint work on top of it. Thank you so much.